the Rawdon Cascades Adventure. One of the key places to visit is the Dorwin Falls Park in Rawdon. Situated on the Warrow River upstream from Lac Pontbriand, aerial shot of Rawdon Cascades. When you purchase your ticket, you get also access to the Cascades, located at a different spot. The price of $12 adult is pretty good, and the parking is included with the ticket admission. Beautiful place with a peaceful river and gorgeous waterfalls. It has a large picnic area with wood tables and benches, great for families. Bring comfortable shoes because if you do the whole trail, you will walk a lot. You can also catch small fishes at the streams. One way to have fun with the kids and adults too. Trees here are great canopy to beat the heat in summertime. Rawdon is a municipality located on the Warrow River in southwestern Quebec, Canada, about 60 kilometers north of Montreal. It is the seat for the regional county municipality of Mattawinnie. In the Lanaudière region, Rawdon is part of the Joliet Federal Electoral District. The town of Rawdon is a mostly French-speaking tourist resort and is home to one English public school and for French public schools, as well as a medium-sized ski resort. The township was established in 1799 and named after Sir Francis Rawdon Hastings, 1st Marquess of Hastings. The town was primarily home to people of Irish background up until 1844. Boat launching here is allowed to. Rawdon was originally part of Montcalm County from 1920 to 1998. There were two separate municipalities named Rawdon: the Township of Rawdon and the Village of Rawdon in 1998. They were united into a single municipality. On November 8, 2021, former pro wrestler Raymond Rougeau was elected mayor. In summer, the population is said to double and even sometimes triple due to tourism and the presence of many cottages in the vicinity. Private dwellings occupied by usual residents, 4,532 total dwellings, 5,422. Unbelievable facts!
The Victoria Falls have been billed as the greatest falling curtain of water on this planet, making it one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. The Victoria Fall is considered to be the largest waterfall in the world.
In summer, temperatures can soar as high as 35 Celsius 95 F, while temperatures as cold as 30 Celsius 22 F can be felt in winter. The Park Deck Cascades is a peaceful place where you will be lulled by the sound of the streams flowing over the rocks. Our many waterfalls form a delightful backdrop for those who love nature, sunshine, and fresh air. If you're really into nature, you can feel the unexplainable attachment. It's magic. Rawdon became a wonderful, welcoming land for many foreign nationals who were seeking to flee the problems afflicting the European continent. At the time, today, some 40 cultural communities still live here side by side. Undeniably beautiful, a magical creations from Mother Nature. None human can duplicate the authenticity of this masterpiece.
Wow!
Photos what it looks like in winter time. Amazing, eh? This is such a great place to come with the kids. Pack a picnic and bathing suits. Sit on the hillside overlooking the falls. These falls are fun to walk in with natural pools to just sit and chill. Unbelievable facts.
Angel Falls in Venezuela is considered the highest waterfall in the world, featuring a plunge of more than 800 meters, 2,624 feet.
Kids really enjoy this kind of experience no matter what. Just ask this kid and look at that smile. 100% happiness.